Hello, am I audible? Good evening, one and everyone. Let me check whether the audio video is clear. Hello. So today is our fourth paper analysis lecture. We are discussing all the question papers of GATE 2022 memory-based wording questions. We are discussing and today we are discussing the fourth set. Fourth set means 6th February afternoon set. Yesterday's and day before yesterday's GATE exam question papers we are analyzing tomorrow and day after tomorrow respectively, so that yesterday's and today's question paper will be discussed hopefully Wednesday and Thursday. So continuous upcoming 4 days there will be classes on the same timing, paper analysis of all other question papers of GATE. Okay, for the new people, this is the bio of me and this is the resources I provide, free resources where you can get daily updates and daily free videos, free content and free quizzes for General Aptitude section of CSIR-NET, GATE and other competitive exams. So make use of these resources also and you will get updates of all my upcoming classes also through this. And so happy to hear from many of you after attending yesterday. I think yesterday many of you have attended exam yesterday in different streams. Happy to hear that aptitude section went well for all of you. Subject part, some of you told it was little tough, but aptitude, most of you told that it was easy. So good to hear. And the things that we have learned in this course, yeah, new students, if you haven't seen, there is a full-length course available in this channel. The things that we have discussed in that course have come for the exam and students could do well. So good to hear. And all the best for your results also, and those who are preparing for the upcoming NET exams, all the best for that also. And you are welcome to follow my daily free classes in Unacademy profile also. Daily at 11 AM I take free classes in Unacademy profile in the CSIR-UGC NET category. So that also you can follow. And so let's start today's session. So this is our first question. Yeah, this question we have discussed in a previous session when we discussed similar homophones question. Homophones question till now I have seen already in 5 question paper. We could see homophones question. 5 out of 6 question paper homophone related questions were there. So try this. All of you answer this very simple question. These are memory based wording, slight variations can come. Okay, simple question, I will answer it. Inhaling the smoke of burning tire can tire you. So tire, there are 3 meanings for the word tire, right? Or there are 3 words, different words which sounds tire itself. This tire means the tire of a vehicle, tire of a bike, tire of a bicycle, that tire. And second tire is TIRE. Yeah, getting tired, that tire. Getting tired means I am tired now. That tired is TIRE. And TIER is what? TIER is 2 tire train ticket, 3 tire coach. That tire, stage we say, that tire. So 2 tire, 3 tire system, 4 tire system. Likewise in different cases we say about tire system or tire, na? That is TIER. So here what is needed? Burning, obviously burning tire of a vehicle. can tire you, can that you can be tired due to that smoking. So TYRE and TIRE is the answer. Option C is saying so, not option B. This is TIER. That's a different word. So that's it. I hope that is clear to all of you. Then let's go to the next question. Try this question. This is a comprehension question asked in this set. All of you make an attempt. Any answers? Some of you got it. Okay, so I'll explain. Rice, a versatile and inexpensive source of carbohydrate, is a critical component of diet worldwide. So rice is an important component in diet all over the world. That is what the first sentence is saying. Climate change causing extreme weather poses a threat to sustained availability of rice. So rice is not available as much as we need due to some reason. What are the reasons? Climate change, which is causing extreme weather. So some scientists are working on developing green super rice. So the passage is saying about an alternative, that is green super rice, which may be used in future in response to adverse effects of climate change. Actually, this sentence we don't know exactly. This is how it is written in the original question paper, but something like this is what is there. Yeah, it may be little more twisted or tweaked the way the last sentence may be, but anyway, the answer should be this itself. Which one of the following is the correct logical inference? GSR is an alternative to regular rice, but it grows only in extreme weather. That all we don't know. GSR is an alternative to regular rice. Again, scientists are only working on it, and the word maybe should be taken care of. Maybe means we cannot say now whether it is an alternative. They are only working on it. So option A is not correct. Regular rice will continue to provide good yields even in extreme weather. No, that is also wrong. Will continue, we cannot say. Climate change causing extreme weather poses a threat. Poses a threat means we cannot confidently say that it will continue to provide good yields. Sustained availability is not there. That is what the question is saying. So option B is wrong. GSR, that is green super rice, may be used in future in response to adverse effects of climate change. Yes, that is mentioned in the last passage. So option C is making proper sense. All other options can be eliminated easily also. GSR grows in extreme weather, but the quantity of production is lesser than regular rice. That all is not told in the passage. Na? GSR is just a thing that is there, that is scientists are working on. So still we don't know more about GSR, so option D is also wrong. So option C can only be the correct answer. It's a simple, straightforward comprehension question. Then try this question, all of you. Try this question. This is similar to another question we discussed last class. In another set, there was a similar question related to inequality. Okay, so I'll explain. 3p minus q less than 4, 3q minus p less than 12. So let us, from these two equations, what you can conclude among these four is the question. So there are different ways to represent it. So either you can form, yeah, the nature of the answer option says getting a fraction does not works, because this is p plus q, this is p plus q, p plus q, p plus q. So p plus q is what you need. So in a similar question, last day when we discussed, there was a similar question in another set. There the answer options were giving you x value, y value, something, x less than this, y less than this. But here the answer options are in the form p plus q should be what? Is it less than 8, more than 8, equal to 8, less than 16, more than 16, what it is. So that is why we need to somehow create p plus q. For creating p plus q, definitely you have to add or subtract these equations. Then only you can get p plus q. If this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, equation 1 plus 2, if you do, what you will get? 3p and minus p. 3p minus p is 2p. Yeah, in the left hand side you can add up, right hand side you can add up. 3q and minus q. 3q and minus q is plus 2q, plus 2q. 3p minus p, 2q, 3q minus q. If you add these two equations. So left hand side will be 2p plus 2q, 2q. Right hand side will be 4 plus 12. So the less than symbol is there. 4 plus 2 is 12. Sorry, 4 plus 2 is 16. 4 plus 12 is 16. So 2p plus 2q is less than 16. We need p plus q now. So take out the common 2 and divide throughout by 2. If you divide throughout by 2, p plus q is less than 8 you will get. P plus q is less than 8. Option A is saying so. Option A is the correct answer. Is that clear to all of you why option A is the correct answer? Please respond. So with respect to answer option, we need to form our solution. If that is clear, try the next question. A seating arrangement problem came in this set. Seating arrangement we have discussed few examples in our course also. Make it try. Any answers? Those of you are watching this session live or recorded, do hit the like button and share this video to more and more people. Okay, so I will explain this question. 6 persons PQRSTU are sitting around a circular table facing the center, not necessarily in the same order. So, as 6 people are there, the best way to draw the picture is draw a hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides now. Draw a hexagon, and on the vertices of the hexagon you place these 6 people so that it will be more clear. Drawing a circle and separating it equally will be little more challenging. That is why I told you the shortcut trick is draw a hexagon, and on the vertices of the hexagon you place the 6 people. So if it is 8 people, you should draw an octagon, obviously 8 sided polygon you can draw. So anyway, with this what you can do, consider the following statements. P sits next to S and T. P sits next to S and T means P's neighbors are S and T. Left and right of P, S and T should sit. Left and right, right and left both are possible, S and T respectively. So if you are placing P here, S here, T here is a possibility, and vice versa is also possible. Keep that in mind. T here, S here also is possible. So then Q sits diametrically opposite to P. Diametrically opposite means if this is P, this is the diametrically opposite point. This is the only diametrically opposite point. This is not diametrically opposite. This is not diametrically opposite. This is also not diametrically opposite. Diametrically opposite means you should be able to draw a diameter between them. So if you complete the circle, definitely this is a diameter now. So Q should be here if P is here. That is what the second sentence is saying. Now let us represent the third sentence. The shortest distance between S and R is equal to the shortest distance between T and U. S and R shortest distance is equal to T and U shortest distance. So that have two possibility, R here, U here, so that this line length is equal now. It's a, we can say, regular hexagon. All sides are equal. Regular hexagon idea I am introducing just to make you understand. It is actually circle. Question says that sitting around a round table, so we can assume that they are equally spaced. So definitely R here, U here, or vice versa is also possible. Keep that in mind. When you conclude the answer, taking all the possibility only you can conclude. U here, R here also is possible. Similarly, T here, S here is also possible, as I told in the beginning. So totally 4 possibilities are there, 4 realities are there. Due to lack of space and time, I am just representing one of the picture, but remember the other cases also possible. So based on the above statements, Q is the neighbor of. Based on the above statement, Q is the neighbor of. Q's neighbors are U in this reality. Other reality also it is U R. So R and U itself. Order it can be U here, R here, or R here, U here. Both are possible. But anyway, R and U only can be neighbors of Q. Are you all understanding? That is how the answer is R and U. But if the question was asking who is the neighbor of R, that will change. Because R can have T and Q as neighbors, S and Q as neighbors, S and Q as neighbors, S and Q, T and Q both are possible because R and U's position can change. Luckily, it is asked Q's neighbor. Q is a neighbor of who all, or left and right of Q should be what? Which people? So definitely that is, without confusion, we can say R and U. What I am saying is, in seating arrangement problem, consider all the cases. Otherwise, you may go wrong. Luckily, this question was simple. That is why whatever reality, the answer is same. But many a times they have asked such a way that different realities, different answers you will get. So anyway, that is clear, I guess. Then, yeah, this is a question. This have a picture. Without picture also you can understand it. Try it, please. Very simple question. Probability question asked in this set. This is what the picture is showing you. So there is a needle like this. Question is telling about spinning an arrow. The arrow can be anywhere. There are two discs like this, and for options also I will write it down. Yeah, four options, exact options I don't remember, so 4 options I will create and give you. 4 by 64, 4 by 16, 6 by 64, 7 by 64. These are the 4 options. The options may be different, but the correct answer is there in that 4 options. Post your answers. Yeah, those of you are preparing for CSIR-NET, admit cards of CSIR-NET have released. Four by 64, 4 by 16, 6 by 64, 7 by 64. Okay, so I will explain. It's a simple question. It is just like a dice problem. 2 dice are thrown at same time. What all can happen? Instead of dice, they have given a disc where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dice have 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 8 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the only difference now. And so a game consists of spinning an arrow around a stationary disc as shown below. Yeah. Nowadays in Amazon or many websites we can see the spin and win game exactly like this. So that idea they have also used. So as shown below, when the arrow comes to rest, there are 8 equally likely outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the equally likely outcomes. 8 outcomes are there. Compare it with dice. 6 outcomes in dice. Here it is 8 outcomes. It would come to rest. Come to rest in any one of the sectors numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as shown. 2 discs are used in a game where their arrows are independently spun. So the arrows, this arrow coming in which sector, this arrow coming in which sector are totally independent events. Okay, what is the probability that the sum of the numbers on the resulting sectors upon spinning the 2 discs is equal to 8 after the arrow come to rest? So after spinning these 2 arrows, both the numbers together, the numbers that the arrow is on, adding those 2 numbers, you should get 8. So probability is nothing but required number divided by total number. Total number is how much? 8 possibility in the first outcome, 8 possibility in the second outcome. So 8 into 8, fundamental principle of counting we learned. 8 into 8, 64 outcome totally are there. Na? Total outcome is 64. Now, what are the possible outcomes? What are the things we need? We need the sum to be 8. The sum to be 8 means 1 and 7 can give you an 8. 1 and 7. 1 here, 7 here. That is a possibility. 2 and 6 give you 8. That is another possibility. 3 and 5 give you 8. 4 and 4 give you 8. 5 and 3 give you 8. 6 and 2 give you 8. 7 and 1 also give you 8. 8 and 0 does not exist because both should be spun, and some of those only we can consider. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 possibility. 7 required number divided by total 64. So option D, 7 by 64 is the answer. Is that clear to all of you? So that is how that question can be done. If so, let's go to the next question. Yeah, try this question. Another syllogism problem. Syllogism was already now seen in 4 question paper already, including yesterday's question paper. So maybe today's question paper also I haven't seen yet. Today's GATE exam question paper. We will see that also. So syllogism was there in most of the question paper. So make a try and poll your answers. Okay, so I'll explain. Given below are 3 statements and 4 conclusions drawn based on the statement. Statement 1, some engineers are writers. Engineers and writers have an intersection. That's a meaning now. If you draw the Venn diagram, engineer, writer, this is the region, some engineers are writer. No writer is an actor. No writer is an actor means writer and actor have no intersection at all. They are disjoint sets. But before representing that, let us read the next sentence also. All actors are engineers. So actor set is inside engineer set if this is actor set, and outside writer set, because no writer is an actor. Actor set and writer set no intersection, and actor set completely inside engineers. Like all humans are mammals means human set should be inside mammal set now. So all actors are engineers means actor should be inside engineer set, and as no writer is an actor, writer set and actor set have no intersection. So from this, what you can conclude, that is the question. Conclusion 1. Some writers are engineers. Some writers are engineers. Yes. Some engineers are writers means some writers are engineers is also correct now. Some X or Y means some Y or X also, as we discussed earlier. All engineers are actors. No. All actors are engineers does not mean all engineers are actors. We have discussed many times. Very similar question was there in the 5th February exam also. So all X or Y means all humans are mammals if it is correct. That does not mean all mammals are humans. All humans are mammals does not mean all mammals are humans. Na? So definitely all engineers are actors, not correct. All X or Y, X subset of Y does not mean Y subset of X. So no actor is a writer. Yeah, no writer is an actor definitely implies no writer is an actor also. No? Sorry, no actor is a writer also. No? Because actor set, writer set, no intersection. So third one is also correct. Some actors are writers. Some actors are writers. No actor is a writer. We just Conclusion 3 itself we told it is no actor is a writer. So some actors are writers are not possible. So 1 and 3, conclusions 1 and 3 only are correct. So option B, 1 and 3 is the correct answer. Hope this is clear to all of you. Then yeah, this question actually I just have to check it if it is fully correct. I will come back to that. Try this question. A question from geometry which was asked. Make it try, all of you. Any answers? Okay, so I will explain. A sphere of radius r centimeter is packed in a box of cubical shape. So this is a sphere of radius r centimeter. This is a packed in a box of cubical shape. What should be the minimum volume in centimeter cube of that cubical box that can enclose, it is not enclosed, enclose the sphere? As I told, these are memory based wording. Slight mistakes in the question will be there. Well, let the official question paper comes. That time we will get the exact wordings. So anyway, minimum volume of that box means that should be the box that should be, we can draw like this now. The box should be the minimum size, the cubical box itself. Yeah, a rough cube shape. If I tell, this is the cube that we need. Or we can say the sphere should be the maximum possible sphere that can fit in that cube. If you think in the reverse order, we need the cube that is having the minimum size that can occupy, that can contain the sphere. That means that cube should be able to contain the maximum possible size the sphere. Or we can say, if this is r, the diameter will be 2r now. Diameter of this cube is 2r. If diameter of the cube is 2r, the diameter of the sphere is 2r means side length of the cube is also 2r. Did you all understood why? If this is 2r, this is also 2r. If that is clear, you just have to find that volume with volume of the cube. Volume of a cube is side length cube. Volume of a cube. So here the side length is 2r. With respect to r, we need the answer. So 2r the whole cube we need. 2r the whole cube is 8r cube. So option B, 8r cube is the answer. Hope this is clear to all of you. So this was another question asked in this set. Yeah, as I told that pipe and cistern problem, I have a small doubt. I think there is something more or some correction needed, or I'll check once again, and in an upcoming class, if possible, we'll discuss that. This question, I don't have the exact picture. There was a question like this, where 4 options were there to fill, like a jigsaw puzzle kind of thing. So like a question, like that, a question also was there in this question. Once we get the official question paper, we will confirm that. So these were the questions which came in this question paper. Hope the questions we discussed, I think we discussed 7 or 8 questions. So that questions are clear, I guess. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in the upcoming 4 days, we will come up with the question papers of yesterday's and today's GATE exam. Four time slot question papers are there. Many of you have sent me the questions, and big thanks to all of you, especially Pratik, Srishti and Swati, who have compiled the questions and sent me also. All of you, thanks for sending the memory based questions of today's and yesterday's exam. In the upcoming days, we will discuss that also. And yeah, the next month, those people who are interested to learn speed math tricks or Vedic maths from me, next month onwards, I am planning to start a 100 Vedic math tricks free lecture series, daily 1 trick each for 100 days, 15 minutes to 20 minutes daily. You will be able to learn Vedic maths from me, those of you are interested. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get updates whenever I launch that series. I will update you in the upcoming days, the plans for the upcoming months. Yeah, this YouTube channel, we are planning to do regular videos from now on, seeing the response that many of you are giving, especially for this GATE complete course. Yeah, today it is understandable. Many of you are writing exam today, and some of you have exam day after tomorrow onwards for NET exam. So today's crowd for live session is less, but I think more people will watch it as recording and share this video to your friends who could not attend it live, so that they can watch the recording if they want. And upcoming days, we will come up with more session. So all the best for your upcoming NET exams also, and all other exams you are preparing for. And GATE exam 2023, if any of your friends or if any of you are planning to prepare for GATE 2023, especially those who are in your M.Sc or in your B.Tech, some of you are still thinking about GATE 2023, those who have started the preparation early now, I will come up with a full-length course for GATE exam, more elaborate full-length course. Now we have taken a crash course kind of thing due to health issues. I could not take more session, but maybe after 1 or 2 months, we will be starting a full-length course if you people are interested for 2023 GATE also through this YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you all. Tomorrow 11 AM, there is a free class in the Unacademy special class platform. Download the mobile application of Unacademy and you can attend that. 11 AM, that will be most expected questions for CSIR-NET exam. Those who are preparing for CSIR-NET, that will be very useful. So thank you all. Take care, all of you. Have a good night. Bye-bye.